welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video, we are doing a clean with me video. I know you guys have been loving these videos, so I wanted to bring you another one. So we are going to be doing things a little bit different today. So I'm going to tidy up each space, of course, and then once I tidy up each space, I'm going to tackle some areas that I don't normally tackle, so like cleaning the TVs and the mirrors and things like that. So let's go ahead and get into it. So clearly the first space we're working on is the kitchen. So all I did was tidy up some items and place the items back where they go. Of course, this is our catch-all space that I tell you guys all the time, but so a lot of things just end up in this area. So I just wanted to put everything back where it goes, and then of course place some dirty dishes in the dishwasher, clean the countertop, do all of that good stuff. So to clean my countertops today, I'm just using the Everspring spray. I've definitely been using that a lot lately versus using Mrs. Meyer's. I think I told you guys in the last video, but you know, Everspring is a great all natural spray. However, it doesn't last as long as Mrs. Meyer's as far as the smell goes. But so far, I mean, clearly I keep using it, so it must be doing a pretty good job. So now that we have tidied up the kitchen and wiped down the countertops, I want to go ahead and wipe down the stainless steel and then also the cabinets as well. Those have just been places that I honestly forget to clean, just to simply take like 5 minutes to wipe down. So that is definitely one of my goals for 2023. It's just to keep up with, you know, the areas in your house that you always forget. So such as like your baseboards and your doors and, you know, dusting and things like that. So, but that's just one of my goals to make sure I tackle this year and just try to stay on top of. So the next space we're going to work on is the entryway cabinetry. We're just going to wipe down all the items that are on top of the counter, and then we're also going to clean the mirror as well. the next space we're going to work on is the living room. So I'm cleaning the TV first. All I did was just spray my microfiber cloth and then wipe down the TV. That seems to work perfect as far as dusting it and cleaning it off. And then the next thing we're going to do is just remove most of the items off of the entertainment center and just wipe that down as well. That just seems to accumulate dust quite often just because it is white. So I definitely try to wipe this down fairly often. Just using regular Windex to clean this window. However, I am on the search for using like an all natural Windex or all natural glass cleaner, I should say. I used to use Jaws, which is like a just add water system product. I liked it. It was okay, but I felt like it took quite a while to wipe down in order to actually clean the window. So if you have any all natural glass cleaner that you can refer that you like, definitely put it down in the comments below.
I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your face.
While I was cleaning, Ebony was actually drawing this picture and I thought it was super cute, so I wanted to share it with you guys.
Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon.
So clearly we're in the bedroom now, and all I did was clean the mirror, the TV, and then I'm wiping down the nightstand now, and then we're going to come back and vacuum later. But I definitely want to deep clean the bathroom. I haven't done this since we moved in, so I wanted to just scrub down the toilet and then also the sinks as well.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
So the next thing we're going to do is vacuum the bedroom and then also the carpet that's in the living room. Then after that, I'm going to use my wet vac to mop the kitchen and the living room area as well.
If you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, but I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe? Won't you love me? The open kind of new way.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. I hope it has inspired you to get something done. If you have loved it so far, I would definitely like for you to subscribe to my channel here. I post all about cleaning, organizing, and just getting things done within the home. So if you are needing some type of inspiration to get something done, I would definitely love for you to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube community here.
Yeah, but I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe? Won't you love me? Oh, but kinda new way. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday.
I want to thank you guys again for watching this Clean With Me video. I hope it inspires you to get something done today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.